Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you are enjoying the maths class and videos. In previous class we had learned subtraction by expanding number. Now today's topic is regrouping tens, hundreds, thousands. So today we will learn subtraction 4-digit number, regrouping tens, hundreds, thousands and using column method. Now I will explain how to solve the subtraction by using column method. First example is 9123 minus 1987. For the column method, we use the columns like thousand, hundred, tens and ones and write the number according to place value. 9100, 2 tens, 3 ones and 1900, 8 tens, 7 ones. Always remember we will start from the ones place. Subtraction we will start from the ones place. Now then regroup tens, hundred and 10,000 if required. Subtract and write the difference. Like this, we can't subtract 7 from 3. 7 from 3. It means we can't subtract 3 minus 7. So we will borrow from the tens place. In tens place there is 2. So we will give the borrow to ones place. So there is the 13. 13 minus 7 is equal 6 and there will be 1. So we can't subtract 1 minus 8. So we will borrow from 100 place. So there will be 11. So 11 minus 8 is equal 3 and there is remaining only 0. So we will borrow from the 1000 place because we can't subtract 0 minus 9. So we will borrow from the 1000 place. So there will be 10. 10 minus 9 is equal 1 and there is 8. 8 minus 1, 7. So our answer is 7136. Now solve the problem using column method. 7123 minus 2348. Now we will arrange by using the column thousand, hundreds, tens and ones and then we will according to place value we will write this. So we will start from the ones place. We can't subtract 8 from 3. So we will borrow from the tens place. So there will be 13. 13 minus 8 is equal 5 and there is 1. We can't subtract 4 from 1. So we will borrow from the 100 place. So there is 11. 11 minus 4 is equal 7. There will be remain 0. We can't subtract 0 minus 3. So we will borrow from the 1000 place and there will be 10. 10 minus 3 is equal 7 and there will be remain 6. So 6 minus 2 is equal 4. So our difference is 4775. Now next is 3234 minus 1286. Now we will arrange in column method like thousand, hundred, tens and ones and we will write the number according to place value. We will start from the ones place. 4 minus 6. We can't subtract 4 minus 6. So we will borrow from the tens place. There will be 14. 14 minus 6 is equal 8 and there is 2. We can't subtract 2 minus 8. So we will borrow from the 100 place. So 12 minus 8 is equal 4. There is 1. We can't subtract 1 minus 2. So we will borrow from the 1000 place. So 11. 11 minus 2 is equal 9 and there will be remain 2. 2 minus 1 is equal 1. Our difference is 1948. Now we can frame a story problem by using 9820 minus 4555 as like Priya has 9820 rupees in bank. She wants to take 4555 rupees from it. How much money will be left in the bank? This is the story problem. So we can solve this also. We used column method to subtract and find answers. We wrote bigger number on top and smaller number at bottom. Then we subtracted the smaller number from the bigger one. The problems without borrowing were easier. We borrow 110, 100 or 1000 when we need them. We show it as a number above the bigger number. We subtract 4-digit number in the same way as 3-digit number. We have a column of thousands while subtracting 4-digit numbers. So today we have learnt subtract 4-digit number, regrouping tens, hundreds, thousand and using column method. So look here once again. Now today's topic has ended. Hope you enjoyed the class. Stay at home, stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye. Thank you.